Before I get into the details of how to use modules and namespaces, I need to give you a quick history lesson in how these two constructs have evolved in TypeScript. TypeScript version 1.5 introduced major changes in both terminology and syntax related to modules. I want you to be aware of that so that when you run across older Stack Overflow questions or blog posts that use these terms, you'll recognize them and hopefully understand how they apply to more modern TypeScript. Prior to version 1.5, TypeScript had both internal and external modules. They were really used for different things, but because they were both called modules, it was easy to get confused about the differences and when to use which kind. Beginning with TypeScript 1.5, internal modules became known as namespaces, and external modules became known simply as modules. I'm not going to cover the older syntax for defining internal and external modules. It's still valid, but really only for the sake of backward compatibility. Any new code you write should use the new syntax, which I am going to cover. The other major change related to modules that was introduced with TypeScript 1.5 was support for the ECMAScript 2015 module syntax. ES 2015 is the first version of JavaScript to have native support for modules, and TypeScript has adopted the same syntax. It's very clean and should make reading code when moving between TypeScript and JavaScript in the future much easier.